Hello everyone, today I'm going to present my proposal for the virtual online exhibition for Basic Engineering A. These are the couple options I have for the online virtual exhibition website. Essentially, three of them is just like the same thing, but it's kind of like a different format. For example, the exhibit one is more professional and more formal looking, while art steps, which is something that we are more familiar with, is something that more personal, while Constmatrix art space is something that has more of a cleaner look and something that has more options and more accessible for sharing and sharing it to your own website or even others. Here's my concept of the exhibition. So each of the products that are made will actually be displayed with their own aesthetic to make sure it's engaging and touches the audiences, as each of the product will have their own aesthetic, and I'm pretty sure that everyone who contributes to the product will have their own viewpoint of how they want it to portray us. And not only that the product will be something that they want to exhibit, but also it's something that has more of a personal touch to it, especially if you're displaying it together with the aesthetic, so that the audience can understand further to what it's actually about, and to make sure that it also clearly views what it wants to portray. Besides the names of who contributed, there will also be a one sentence description or a quote of the ones who contribute liking that helps to get deeper into the products, because I'm pretty sure if the audiences sees each of the product in the exhibition, they will just know better or know more about what the product actually is. Next is the concept of basic engineering project to be exhibited. So the issue behind gas emission is related to affordable and clean energy, sustainable cities and communities, climate action, life below water, and life on land. The product, or like the solution that I suggest, which is structure with sprayed biofuels, will help conquer the issue of greenhouse gas where methane is produced from these decommissioned landfills. And this can also affect the life below water and on land, as well as it impactfully the environment as a whole, and while helping climate action in order to have a more sustainable community with affordable and clean energy. So how the concept of the exhibited product will be aligned with the engineering ethics code is that the concept of the exhibited product will include the engineering ethic codes, which is holding paramount the safety, health, and welfare of the public, perform services only in areas of their competence, issue public statements only in an objective and truthful manner, act for each employer or client as faithful agents or trustees, avoid deceptive acts, and conduct themselves honorably, responsibly, ethically, and lawfully so as to enhance the honor, reputation, and usefulness of the profession. Thank you for listening to my proposal for this year's exhibition.